Watch this video and learn how to draw Bingo from Bluey.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Are you saying hello to everyone, Artie?
Yeah. Wow, with the artists.
Do you know what we're going to draw today?
Yeah.
It's Bingo.
Oh, yeah. Yes, please.
Do you know what show Bingo is on, Artie? Can you remember?
Oh, I know.
He's on Bluey.
Yeah.
You like Bluey, don't you, Artie?
Oh, yeah.
Welcome to Artie's show!
Wow, what an awesome day to do some art!
My goodness, yes it is.
Okay, Artie, let's start drawing Bingo. Start with a back-to-front hook. That's a straight line with a little hook on the bottom, and in this case, also on the top. Now leave a little space for Bingo's eyebrows, and then we're going to do another hook on the right-hand side, with a little curvy hook on the top, and a little curvy hook on the bottom. Little artists, if you're drawing along with Artie, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Yes, that was marvellous, Louie. Okay, time for Bingo's eyebrows. Remember the little spaces we left? Now we're going to fill them in with eyebrows. Okay, now let's do the eyes underneath the eyebrows. First the right one. That's it, Artie.
Isn't art fun?
I think so.
Now let's draw Bingo's nose. Bingo's a little doggy, so we'll draw a doggy-shaped nose. Now shade it all in black, but leave a little space that you don't fill in. That's the reflection from Bingo's shiny little doggy nose. Okay, what's next, Artie? That's right, Bingo's left eye. Very good, Artie. Now, let's draw two oval shapes around those doggy eye pupils. There's the right eye. And now let's do the same on the left. Start from the nose, go all the way round. But let's stop. Let's do the rest of Bingo's nose first. Let's do another little hook, but a smaller one this time.
What are you doing after the show, Mikey?
Me and Louie are gonna go see a movie. It'll probably get a 10.
Now we're going to draw a wiggly line to complete the nose and the mouth. That's fantastic, Artie. Oh, let's do some teeth. Doggies have teeth. Do a wiggly line for the teeth and then shade it all in underneath, nice and black. This is looking really good, Artie. Let's do the next part. Cartoon break? Okay. Artie, let's go and find some things that are coloured yellow. Artie loves yellow. Look, yellow sunflowers. It's a yellow school bus. Oh, look, yellow birdies.
yellow stripes on the road.
You found lots of yellow things today, Artie.
Artie loves yellow.
Now let's get back to the art.
Okay, Artie, let's carry on with Bingo from the Bluey show. Oh, that's right. Let's do some ears. Bingo has triangular-shaped, pointy ears. One triangle on the left and another one on the right. Now he can hear us. Let's do 2 smaller triangles inside the bigger ones.
Man, this is creative.
Artie is so talented.
He really is, Betty. Okay, time for Bingo's arms. That's funny, actually, Artie, because doggies don't really have arms. They just have 4 legs. But this is a cartoon doggy, so we can do arms. Remember his sleeve? Do a little line, Artie, for his sleeve, just on the top of the arm. That's it. Now let's do the right arm. I like his little paw hands at the end of his arms. It looks like he's saying, "Yeah, I'm Bingo." Now let's finish his body. Couple of lines at the top, and then a sort of upside down U shape on his chest. Join the 2 hooks together. That's it, an upside down U. Let's do a few spots, because Bingo has some spots. What do you think about some legs, Artie?
Yeah.
Let's draw 2 lines at an angle, and then we'll do his little foot on the end. I mean, doggies really have paws, not feet, but this is a cartoon doggy.
Betty, can you tell what it is yet?
Not yet.
Guys, it's Bingo. We've been talking about it the whole show. Bingo from Bluey. Okay, let's do his right leg and his right paw, foot. And then do the sock at the top. Little line. There we go. He's got socks and sleeves. What do you think you've forgotten? What do all doggies have?
Tail.
That's right, a doggy's tail. A nice little poofy tail. I think you're about done, Artie. He looks great.
Perfect. I think that one's going on the fridge.
It's the best.
You're finished? Wow, he looks fantastic, Artie. You really got the colours correct.
Tomorrow you're gonna need a marker. But until then,
Have an Artie day.
Well, little artists, we hope you drew along and did your own version of Bingo. Have an Artie day. Bye-bye.